An 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a GTX 1050. While most of us know Asus for their kick-ass gaming notebooks and their mobile devices, they make some pretty mean consumer laptops too. Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the newest 2-in-1s from the Taiwanese company, so join us for this unboxing and quick review of the Asus Zenbook Flip 15. Inside the box, you'll find the laptop itself, but Leo will just set that down for now. Aside from that, it comes with its power brick, USB 3 to Ethernet adapter, a stylus, and a cable tie for keeping things organized. Yep, quick and easy. Now let's get a closer look at that notebook. It isn't quite as sexy as another 2-in-1 the company introduced recently, the Flip S, but this 15.6-inch convertible certainly has striking looks and is coupled with a sturdy all-metal build as well. It's much bigger than other notebooks of its ilk that have come across our desks, and definitely heavier, weighing in at 2.1 kilograms. While it is a bit cumbersome, the internals of the Flip 15 makes it worth carrying around. But before we get to that bit, let's have a look at all the I/O ports of the notebook. On the left side, you'll find a vent to keep those temps down, the volume rocker, power button, and a USB Thunderbolt 3 port in case you want to soup up graphics even further with an ROG XG station. On the right side, you'll find the port for the power adapter, a USB 2.0 port, a USB 3.0 port, an audio jack, and an SD card reader. With that out of the way, let's lift the lid and have a look at that screen. The Zenbook Flip 15 that arrived at Unbox HQ features a 15.6-inch Full HD Nano Edge multi-touch display, and true to its naming convention, it can flip around so that it can be used in a tablet mode, or have it up like a tent for presentations without a keyboard in the way. All made possible by the precision-engineered 360-degree hinges. The display also has 100% sRGB color range, wide 178-degree viewing angles, and has a screen-to-body ratio of 79%. And while the Flip 15 doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, it does come equipped with an IR camera to give you quick access to the laptop via Windows Hello. Taking care of the audio on this 2-in-1 is a quad speaker system by none other than Harman Kardon. And while we haven't spent a lot of time with the device just yet, it already gets 2 thumbs up. Below the screen is a full-sized backlit keyboard with 1.4mm of travel, and a rather spacious trackpad as well, which the company says has exclusive technology used in smartphones that makes it highly sensitive and responsive. We talked about the internals of the Flip 15 at the start of the video, but let's drill down the specifics. At its core, you've got an 8th generation Intel i7 8550U processor that clocks in at 1.8 GHz. This is paired with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. The Flip 15 also has an NVIDIA GTX 1050. While we wouldn't recommend prolonged gaming sessions on this notebook, having the ability to game in between meetings is a definite plus for this convertible. Of course, we'll have to test it further to see what it's really capable of. And that's pretty much it for this unboxing and quick look at the Asus Zenbook Flip 15, which is priced at 69,995 pesos. There is a variant of this 2-in-1 with a 4K display and runs on Windows 10 Pro instead of Home, but comes with a rather hefty price tag just shy of 100,000 pesos. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook as well. This is Jamie, and I'll see you next time.